files without prompting with TIFF Image Printer 12. Whether you are using TIFF Image Printer, PDF Image Printer, or Raster Image Printer, each time you print, the image printer will prompt you for the output location and base file name. With version 12 of Peernet's image printers, you can turn on and off the Save dialog prompting in the profile. Begin by creating a custom profile that you want applied during conversion. The profile is a group of settings that will create the output image you want. Double-click on the image printer icon on your desktop to launch the image printer dashboard. If you have removed the image printer icon from your desktop, you will find it by selecting Start and scrolling down to your image printer. Select Edit and Create Profiles. Either create a copy of one of our system profiles or select Add Profile. I will create a copy of the system profile Color Optimized TIFF because I want to create a color multi-page TIFF image. I just want to adjust the prompting when saving setting. Rename the profile to something you will recognize. In this example, I will call it Demo Profile and add with no prompting to the description. On the Save Options tab, you will see that by default, prompt for the output location and base file name is enabled. Disable this setting to turn off prompting. When you turn off prompting, it is important to consider how you would like to handle override situations. In other words, what do you want your image printer to do if it is trying to save a file name that already exists? There are three options. Auto-name each file with a numbered copy, show prompt to let me choose my action, always overwrite the existing file. By default, this is set to auto-name each file with a numbered copy, which means that a copy number will be added to the file name if the file name already exists. By turning off prompting each time you print, that means you will no longer be able to set the output location and the output file name during each print. You can set your desired output folder now or leave it blank, in which case output files will be saved to your last folder location or your My Documents folder. In addition, you also have the option to set the base file name. Keep in mind, if you specify the base file name in the profile and you've selected Always Overwrite the Existing File, each print will overwrite the previous file. Leave this field blank to use the file name from the file you are printing. Click Save and Back and close the Profile Manager. If you wish to make this new profile the default profile used by the image printer, select Manage Printers. Beside your image printer, drop the box for the profile and select your new profile as the default. Save your changes. Printer Management also allows you to rename the printer and create multiple copies of the printer. Close Printer Management and the dashboard. And now when you print to your image printer, your images will be saved to your desired location without prompting you with a Save dialog. Try out our TIFF Image Printer for yourself and see how easy and effective it really is. Follow the link below to download a free trial.